Good evening, friends, and welcome to another live stream by the Option School. This is Pradeep Singla. Hope my voice is audible. Welcome, Mr. Surya Prakash, Mr. Pawan, Mr. Kiran, Mr. Vijay, Mr. Amit, Mr. Nitesh, or Mr. Omkar, Mr. Nifty Heading. Can you confirm whether my voice is audible or not? Option trading business, on which side of business are you? Already I am getting some replies. First, let us understand what is option trading business we are referring to, right? Definitely all of you are on the right side, hopefully, but only after seeing what we are referring to as option trading or nifty option trading or bank nifty option trading business. Once you hear about that, then we will decide who is on which side, right? Hi, Mr. Daksh, Mr. Ravi Babu, Mr. Chaudhary. So voice is audible. Okay, good. Sorry, I couldn't do this live streaming yesterday, and in fact we have added our third membership plan also, but it was added on third as we wanted to launch it on third, but so far YouTube is not able to activate it. So they are also facing a lot of issues because of lack of manpower as of now. So we had a conversation with them over chat. So they say it may take some time. So as of now, it is still under review. So as and when it will become live, most of you will come to know, right? Hello, Mr. Bansal. Hello, Sanjeev. How are you? Right. So today is option trading business. On which side of business are you? Let us understand what is this option trading business and basically what are we trying to talk here, right? As Pawan has said, we must have 100 likes before the end of this video. So let us ensure healthy input of likes so that we get motivated even to do a video on Saturday, on Sunday, even Monday is also holiday. So if all of you encourage us, we will have more videos on Sunday and Monday also, on holidays also, right? So go ahead and keep on pressing that like button. And today we had also given a post wherein we were getting a lot of sort of, you can say, complaints that okay, you're not getting a notification. So today we have made a post. When you press a bell icon, it gives you three options. By default, it is personal, something like personal, right? Personal notification. So it has three options: all, personal, or none. So you must click that bell icon and select all. Once you select all, then you will start getting all the notifications. Hopefully people who were not getting the notifications in right time, they must do this, and then let me know whether this has solved your problem or not, because whenever we are posting a video, there are few guys who will say they are not getting the notification, and whenever we are posting a post on the membership section, many of you are not getting the notification. So today we did a sort of search on this, and ultimately we realized that okay, in bell icon, if you select all, only then you will get all the notifications, right? So thanks, Mr. Nifty, Mr. Deepak, for requesting for likes. Voice is breaking, Mr. Ravi Babu. Voice is okay. Am I audible now, or it's still breaking? Please confirm. Hopefully, voice should be okay, because as of now we are on a proper internet. Is my voice audible or it's breaking? Voice is okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, anybody who has still not subscribed to this channel and seeing this video, please go ahead and subscribe to channel. Press the bell icon also, as I was explaining. While you are pressing the bell icon, please select all in that so that you get all the notifications. So if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. If you are already a subscriber, please go ahead and press that like button, right? Okay, now let me ask you some questions before I tell you what business I am referring to. Definitely option trading is a business, Mr. Kiran, but what business I am referring to, let us see that. Now, do you know any casino stocks or company which is having a business of gambling or casinos? Can you name any such company? Mr. Gupta, how are you? How are you, Mr. Omkar? Can you name any company which is into casino business? Indian company. There is only one listed company who has casinos. Mr. Gupta must be knowing that, or Mr. Mahendra Chaudhary must be knowing that, because you have good know-how of different companies. Yes, Mr. Gupta, Delta Corp, right? Delta Corp is a company who is owning casinos, right, in India, which is the only listed company. There might be some other companies, but worldwide there are a lot of casino companies who are listed companies, right? Now, everywhere they are not referred as gambling industry. Although what do we generally infer by casino means gambling, right? But everywhere they are not referred as gambling industry. What are they referred as? With which industry they are attached? All the companies like Delta Corp or any other casino company, with which industry they are referred? MGM, I don't know. With which industry they are referred? Are they referred as gambling industry? Okay, Mr. Junjanwala may be having a big stake in Delta Corp. Exactly, Mr. Shetty. So they are referred as entertainment industry, or they are referred as gaming industry. They are not referred as gambling industry anywhere in the world. In India, obviously, we have a very small listed industry, only one company, which I know at least. They are not referred as gambling industry, and there is a reason behind it. Why they are referred as gaming industry or entertainment industry? Luxury is a good guess, but let's see why they are referred as gaming industry or entertainment industry is because the person owning the casino may not be going for money at all. He may be going for big money, but generally, people who are used to going to casino, they are not very much keen of money. Money is a side effects kind of a thing, right? It's a byproduct. Yes, they may make money also, but actually they are not going for money. Basically, they are going for thrill, they are going for gaming, they are going for excitement, right or not? They are going for pleasure, they are going for thrill, they are going for gaming. Yes, money is also there in the mind, but have you seen any poor people going to casino? If you have seen some casinos, maybe Nepal used to be very popular in casinos. So poor people never go to casinos, right? It's a rich people's game. But it's not that all the people who are going to casino, all the players or gamblers, they are going. Yes, definitely money is there in back of their mind, but basically they are going for that gaming experience. Basically they are going for that thrill, for that excitement, that okay, maybe by investing few rupees I can make uh, few lakh of rupees, or maybe few thousands of rupees. So that is the excitement, right? But casinos obviously are referred as gaming and entertainment industry because they provide that service, right? But from casinos perspective, if you see, it is not entertainment, it's not gambling, it's not gaming, it's a serious business. From casino owners perspective, it's a serious business. Casino owners are not looking for any kind of a thrill, that okay, I will spin a wheel and maybe get 10 lakh rupees worth of prizes. Casino owners are not looking for any thrill, but people who are coming to casino, gamblers, are looking for thrill, definitely. Casino owners are not looking to get rich quickly. They are not looking that okay, today is the day and we will make huge amount of money and then we will close the casino and something like. No, they have huge investments. They are not there for a very short period of time. They are looking for consistent stream of profits, like any business. Like in any business, you are not looking that okay, one day I will do this business, or maybe 3 4 days I will do this business, and then I will become very rich, and then maybe I do not need to do anything, right? No business owner starts business like this, and they are there for long term. And it is very clear why they are there for long term, because the kind of investments they make in those casinos, they are huge. When you're making a huge capital investment, obviously you are there for long term. You're not there for 1 month or 1 week or few days, and you're not looking for anything that okay, I'm going to make a lot of money in very short period of maybe 1 week or few days, and that's it. But the gambler is looking for that, right? Why I'm talking all those things, then we will come to know on which side of business we are once we clarify what kind of business I'm talking. So there are two things. One is the casino owner, and the other thing is the person who is coming to the casino. You can call him a casino player, you can call him a trader, you can call him a gambler, whatever, right? Now these players or traders or gamblers, whosoever are coming to these casinos, are concerned with each of their play or trade. Every card, every spin, every dice, whatever they are doing, they are too much bothered about each of their plays, right? They are too much bothered about what is the number on the dice, what are the cards they are getting, and what is the number on the spin of the wheel, what is happening where, right? These players are always concerned with these short term outcomes of their plays, or I can say of their trades, right? Casino always win in the long run. Yes, option sellers are like casino owners, or they are like casino players. I don't know, Mr. Sharma, right? Casino players are having negative expectancy. No, if they are having negative expectancy, why would they come? Nobody is having a negative. When you are trying to play a casino, you are always having back of mind a kick or push that okay, I will definitely win. Otherwise, you will never spend even 5 paisa, right? So option sellers are like casinos, option sellers are like gamblers also. We need to differentiate what is the difference between an option seller and a casino owner and a casino player, right? Dr. Rajan is saying can we get notification at least 8 p.m. Many times you get notification that is not in our control, Dr. Rajan. Whenever we go live, notification should come within few seconds actually, right? So since we know that okay, we are always there at around 9, and if you're not there at 9, by 9:15 we try to give you a notification that okay, we are not coming. So it's better to, you see, many times we have seen some of them, and we are thankful to them, they are there even if we switch it on by 8:50, 8:55, right? So we try to switch it on by 8:50, and you start getting notifications by 9. So we cannot do it at 8 o'clock, because then 8 to 9 it will be a silent kind of thing, because uh, once we have done this live stream, we directly allow it to get uploaded on YouTube. So if we start it at 8, then 8 to 9 it will be a mute period, and that will also get uploaded on YouTube. So which doesn't make sense for people who are not present in the live stream, but they're seeing the videos later. So first 1 hour they will feel it's nobody is speaking, right? So I'll say just at 9 o'clock be ready. You generally even without notification, a lot of people are participating already in the stream, right? As Bhavan has said, we are lagging behind likes like anything. It's we are losing the game in likes. So please go ahead and press that like button, right? Most of the time, casino owners, option sellers win. Okay, I don't know. Have you not lost money as option seller? Right? Are you able to read my message? At least this message I am able to read, Mr. Kamal. If you have written something else, please read it again, because I also have a screen on which these messages keep on scrolling. So if I am very late in reading a message, that message is already gone above the screen, so I can't read that, right? So if you have written something and I have missed it, please write it again. Sorry for that. Small profit or on every transaction, and very small loss if any, rarely. Let us see. Let's see what now the player, the gambler, why he is there? He is hoping that he will hit one big win, one big victory, and he will make tons of money. That is uh, you see, that is the expectation of that gambler. He is having a positive. He thinks that okay, I'm doing 5 6 plays. I'm trying my luck here and there, and anytime I get lucky, I'm going to make huge amount of money. right? Players are not looking for any consistent returns. They are looking to hit one big jackpot, right? They are just looking to hit one big jackpot. They are not there for long term. They are there for short term. Maybe they are trying their luck for few days, and once they lose money, they forever get out of that place. They are not looking for any consistent stream of returns, which the casino owner is definitely looking for, right? But the casino owner doesn't care about any individual play or trade. Gamblers definitely are concerned with outcome of each trade, each play, each dice, because what they are looking for is they must hit a jackpot anytime and they are out of the place. But casino is not looking for that. Casino doesn't care about what is happening to each individual trade or each individual play. Casino owner definitely know that as per statistics, they will win some and they will lose some. Some of the tricks they will lose, at some of the tables they will win, but statistically they have created a very careful structure where odds or probability of making profit for them is high. They are working on pop only. Probability of profit for casino owner is always high, even if there are, let us say, 100 games. Out of that, even if they lose 45 out of 55, they are definitely going to make some profit, because structurally they have created the game like that their probability of profit is always slightly higher than probability of profit for the gambler. Yes, Pavan is saying right. Guys, don't feel shy in liking the video. If you're seeing it on mobile, you have to close the chat for a second and then go ahead and like the video, right? These high pop structures give them the edge, which is known as trader's edge, or you can say casino's edge. They have created so many structures. Maybe they have 10 tables, 5 machines, 6 tables for different games. But everywhere what they have done, they know that on each and every table they are not going to win, but they have created structures which are high probability of profit structures. They have created systems which are high probability of profit systems, right? Now, same is the difference between a new option trader and an experienced option trader, right? Experienced option trader is not looking for one big win. I'm getting so many messages and calls, even from my friends and relatives who have never participated in stock markets. Why? What is the question? Can anybody guess what is the question they are asking me? I'm getting like even my distant relatives and friends to whom I have never talked in last 3 4 years. They are also making calls to me and asking me one question. What is that question? What would be that question? All of you can guess. Meanwhile, you are guessing. I can have a sip of water. Exactly, Dr. Thirumal. Shall I invest now? Exactly what they are asking is, market has gone down, market is now 8100, 8200. Is this the right time to invest? Am I missing anything by not investing now? Is this the right time to invest? Yes, Dr. Rajan. Same question. So many people are asking, and the fact of the matter is, I am totally illiterate in advising them that whether you should invest or not, because now people are thinking market has gone down substantially. Now, is this the right time to invest? Why? Because all these people are behaving like what? All these people who are trying to time the market, they are thinking that okay, now I will invest and maybe within 2 3 months I will reap a huge benefit and then I will quit from the market. But markets are not that simple that they will allow them to take away their profits and digest. If you win in a casino game, what will you do? Will you just carry your bag full of notes and come out of casino? That will never happen. Will that ever happen? If you have won a jackpot in casino and you have won, let us say, a full bag of currency, what will you do? Would you come out of casino, hire a car and come out of your casino and deposit all the money in your bank account, fixed deposit? Would you do that? You will never do that. What you will try that, okay, I have got this money now and now I will double it, triple it and make it 10 times now itself. because I am very lucky and why I'm very smart and I know how to milk the system. Right or not? I know one of the traders who made huge amount of money in one trade. He had purchased some options and he made huge amounts of money, nearly almost 1 crore rupees. And in spite of best of the advices, within 6 months he lost everything in the market itself and went out of the markets bankrupt. Right. So all of these my friends, my relatives or distant relatives, whatever they're asking, see, they are trying to time the system, thinking that okay, now if they purchase at maybe 8,000 or 8,100 and market will go to again 12,000, they will make money, and whatever they have purchased, they will be able to book profit. Something they have purchased at 100 rupees, that time it will be 150. They will never be able to book at 150. That time they will think, okay, this will go 500 rupees. I have done a very smart investment. They will book that stock, whatever they have purchased, only when it goes to 80 rupees or 85 rupees if they have purchased at 100. Right? They will stick to that investment as long as it is giving them profit. And once it start giving them loss, they will start running here and there. Right? Now, this is same is the difference between a new option trader and an experienced option trader. The experienced option trader is not eyeing for that one big win where he will make tons of. The experienced option trader is focused on gaining that statistical advantage, that POP edge on every trade, and that's it. You are creating a trade where you see the probability of profit is, let us say, 75 to 80%, and you know with your adjustment plan, you are increasing the probability of profit by, let's say, another 10%. Now your POP is almost 90%, and that's it, your job is done. You may not be making 25% return in every trade, right? You may be making just 3%, 4% return, but POP is extremely high, right? Good evening, Mr. Tarun. Yes, yes, I'm in perfect health, hope, and wish good health for all of you. Right? As Mr. Sharma said, as Mr. Kamal said, he will definitely play again in casino. Right? That is the human psychology. Right? So experienced option trader is focused on gaining that advantage in every trade. Every trade, if you know that probability of profit for me is very high, ultimately it may not be possible that all the trades will be profitable. Sometimes it will be a small, very modest profit. Sometimes it can be a very small loss also. But you are not made up of, experienced option trader is not made up of one big win or one big loss. That is a amateur option trader. Not all the trades will give you profit even after having high POP. Sometimes things are not in your control. We have seen market from 12,400 straightway coming down to almost 8,000 in very few trading sessions. Right? So POP and risk. So probability of profit means risk is included in that, Mr. Chitti. When you're talking about probability of profit, if probability of profit is 90%, that means the risk is 10%. Right? So not all the trades will give him profit even after having high POP, but he's not bothered about that. A casino owner is not bothered that okay, a particular table today has not given him profits, but he knows that overall the structure is such that you will definitely get profit, right? And ultimately these small returns will add up to big profits once volumes come. These small victories will ultimately create a lot of wealth for you, and then it becomes a question of volume. That's why a casino owner would like that okay, let there be thousands of transactions every day. He's okay with that, right? Yes, it's like a test pair. As long as you're able to safeguard your wicket, runs will automatically come. Right? Now the question is of volume. How can the volume come? Suppose I'm an investor with only, let us say, 2 lakh rupees. So volume will increase with, let us say, frequency of trades. If I have good number of trades where my POP is good, then okay, let us say because I have less capital, I am able to do only 2 trades in a month. Okay, maybe in next 24 months I have some 40 winners. A small profit from this 40 trades will give me very healthy returns, right? Size of trades. What is the size of the? If I am able to create high POP trades, right? If I am able to create high POP trades, then suppose I have created 20 such trades and I have money for that, then obviously the volume will increase. If I do not have money, then maybe over a period of time, then I need time to increase the volume. So as I said, if even if I'm able to do, let's say, two trades in a month, and two trades means I'm doing it for next 3 years, that means uh, 36 into 2 is 72 transactions I have done. And if my POP always is excellent, then obviously uh, out of the 72, maybe I have 55 to 60 winners, right? POP is probability of profit, right? Now this is what a casino business owner is achieving, right? It's okay, Mr. Shetty. POP definitely includes that also. If your probability of profit is there and your risk is less, obviously you are not risking anything on one trade. That is again a very basic premise, right? In butterfly, you are not going to risk much. Let us not go into discussion of words. Let us try to understand the gist of what I am trying to say, right? So probability of profit is high. That means obviously you are not taking a huge risk. That is why your probability of profit is high, right? Risk well taken, that yes, risk in any single trade should be very, very less. If you're taking it in butterfly, obviously the risk will be very less as long as your butterfly is thin, right? But you can have very wild butterflies which can give you substantial risk. But ultimately, as an option trader, what you're trying to do is you're trying to do small trades with modest profits. You're not looking for that one big jackpot. And that is where the difference between a new trader and experienced trader is there, right? A long successful career or business in option trading is built on the results of amalgamation of all these small trades. So what we need to introspect, Kiran, what answer you are giving now? Now you can give me. So introspect and check. You see, I am not saying that okay, when you lose in any option trade, you don't feel bad. Obviously, it's very natural. If we lose in some trade, obviously we feel bad, right? And when we win in some trade, we feel really good. But otherwise, if we are focused for long term and we know the kind of structures we are making in your trades, and these are the structures that okay, your probability of profit is very high, so most of the structures will definitely give you profit. That is the meaning of high probability of success. So ultimately we should see that whether I am behaving like a gambler or I am behaving like a casino owner, the business is same. There are transactions going on. So if I am an experienced option trader, and I always say this group is pretty much experienced and intelligent option traders. If I'm an option trader, definitely I should start behaving like a casino and should not get bothered by small problems in trades wherein maybe I have lost uh, 15-20 rupees in one of the trades, and in four trades I have made 30 rupees. So if you are able to do that, then small trades where you are not successful should not bother you, right? What is it, Mr. Sharma is saying? Maybe the brokerage are casino owners. If I book, if I book, they get a profit. And do you know what happened to most of the brokers in crude oil? When crude was at around $70, the margin charged for crude was only 20%, right? And when they were charging margin for 20%, and within few trading sessions, crude went down by 50%. Many of the brokers are not able to recover their money from all those crude players, right? So every business will have its own pitfalls, right? From outside, every business looks very good. So if you feel that okay, brokerage companies are like, even as an option trader, you can behave like a casino rather than was it too much focusing on a one small trade which has which might have given you loss. Try to create trades where obviously the probability of profit is high, the risk is low, and if you're able to create such trades over a period of time, definitely the the sum total of all the trades will be fantastic result. And I'm saying even getting more than 40 to 50% in a year is cannot be ruled out. If you're consistently doing that, you can definitely go up to 40 to 50% in a year, right? No, the role was same there also, Mr. Sharma. The role was same. They were just adding, they were just brokers, and rules of the game said that okay, they need to charge some 22%, right? So this is the question: which side of business are you? Are you a casino owner or you are a gambler? Right? I'm just giving you a perspective. When first time I got this perspective, I started thinking. You see, I started bothering myself much less for my small trades where I went wrong. So whether we want it or not, nobody wants to go wrong in any of the trades, right? Even if I am buying a piece of bad stock, ultimately back of mind I feel okay, I'm doing a very smart thing, right? So nobody wants to start a trade expecting a loss. But when you are trading, obviously there will be some trades which may not work as per our wishes. So we should not be too much concerned, too much bothered about that, as long as we are able to control the risk also, right? So that is the whole thing. So ultimately, if you are not in markets uh, for a week or for a for fortnight or for a month, if you have tasted success as an option trader, you are here for at least next 10 years, and you know that, right? How are you, Dr. Kadam? That is great, Mr. Sharma. Now that is great. You want to own the casino and you want to play also, and want best of the bets for yourself only. Right? So ultimately, you need to think uh, uh, that what I'm trying to tell you, that all option trades should be created with a perspective that okay, high chances of success are there, and even after doing that, there will be some bad trades which are okay. You have to take them in your stride, because you are not here to make just one investment and become multimillionaire out of that investment, right? We are not here for just making money in one investment. We are here to make small profits in maybe next hundreds of our trades, which can happen over a period of 1 year, which can happen over a period of 4 years, 5 years also, right? So whatever trades you are doing, try to create best of the probability of profit should be very high, and as Mr. Shetty said, the risk should be very low, right? So even if you have done a trade which is although it's a high pop, but it is not working in your favor, but your risk is so small that in overall scheme of things, that doesn't matter much. And you know that okay, you are here in the game for the long run, you're not in the game for the short run, right? So now you need to check yourself and say whether you are in your trades. Maybe you can think of last 6 months or last 3 months, maybe last 1 month was very heavy for everybody, right? So you can think and say okay, there will be times when you see when you feel bad that okay, the way markets have behaved, especially in last 1 month, right? So but then we need to see in which of the places I am behaving like a gambler or a amateur trader, and which of the places I am behaving like a experienced trader. First thing here is that okay, while setting up the trade, that time I should behave like a casino owner, I should never behave like a gambler. Whenever I am doing a unhedged trade, I am behaving like a gambler. I am greedy and looking to make extraordinary money out of the trade, right? So while setting up of the trade, you are deciding whether you are on player side of the trade or you are on the casino owner side of the trade. So which side of the business you are, 90% of things are decided when you are setting up the trade. So while setting up the trade, we should be extremely careful. We should not be greedy. We should see that okay, the probability of profit should be very high, and I'm totally hedged, right? Uh, Pawan says I'll sell option. Mr. Shetty says POP will tell the possibility of expiring, risk and returns on strategy. I'll sell option for ROI and buy option for protection. That's a great thing. Not about hitting fours and sixes. It's all about taking singles and keeping wicket. That's the long way to go. Definitely, Mr. Ankar. That's the message I want to give. Right. One thing I'm telling here, if you know better way to trade, it's really a very good business. Yes, it's an excellent business. You see the success. Honestly speaking, the success in option trading as a business comes very fast compared to any other industry. Let me be very open with you. If you try to do any other business, you see the kind of success it will take a lot of time. But this is one business which can be set within few days. And then it's all about your know-how, about your knowledge, about your temperament, and you can always keep on polishing your know-how also. And the kind of returns this business, there is hardly any lag. Right from the first month you can start making money. But only thing is, yes, this business also entice you, and try to get mistakes committed by you, and try to take away your money also. Although the success is pretty fast compared to any other business, but then the losses can also be heavy if you are not following the right principles, and if you're not into the right frame of mind, right? uh, Real casinos are closed now because so these casinos are still open, Kiran, and we hope that okay, they will remain open, right? Risk is not taken, Mr. Chetty says. Care then option selling will be eat like a bird and poop like an elephant, right? Very famous saying, and my one of my favorite sayings out of that: fooled by randomness. Like option seller will eat like a hen and poop like an elephant. So that's important. Ultimately, you have to create trades which are not very risky, and that is where we need to control the greed. That is where we need to create trades wherein your POP is very high, right? And no depreciation, no maintenance. That's the point, Pawan, right? There is no, you see, even if you want to become a casino owner, see the kind of investment they have to do. Obviously, they are not there for one day. If they're spending, let us say, 25 crores in spending a casino, obviously there will be a lag period when they start collecting that money. And there is an operational cost also. Here, the operational costs are very minimal. As of now, the operational cost is you have to press that like button only, right? Which Pavan has asked you so many times, but still we are lagging in that like, Pavan. And there is no setup cost. There's hardly any setup cost. Yes, working capital is required. Right? Stay safe, stay indoor, and if you want to join our membership, you can join. As of now, it's Gold, Diamond, and we have also created the third membership, which is Smart Hedges. As of now, it's not visible because it is still under review right from yesterday. Generally, YouTube takes less than 1 hour in reviewing those things, but again, they have also conveyed because of less workforce they are working with, so that may get delayed in getting approved. Right, as of now, Gold membership has exclusive some videos, some post participation in chat, and what Diamond memberships can connect with us on WhatsApp, and they can ask their questions on their trades. Right, that's what I'm saying, Mr. Patel, that hedging strategy membership, from our side we have done everything, but then every membership level, whenever is there, it is get uh, f- first it needs to be approved by YouTube. So as of now, that is still coming under review from almost, you can say, almost last 40 hours. So maybe it will come, maybe tomorrow, maybe it will take another 1 or 2 days. So we have contacted them, and they have said, because of they are working with very less manpower. Obviously, the problem is worldwide, right? So since we are working with very less manpower, obviously it can take some more time. So whenever it comes, we will try to inform you also. So my only request to all of you is, just go and check your bell icon. Click on that bell icon again, and you see you will get a sort of a drop down wherein there are three things: all, personified, and not at all, something like that. So you must click on that all, so that whenever there is a update, video notification or post notification is there, you should get all the notifications, because many of us are getting the notifications in time and many of us are not at all getting the notifications, although we always assume that we have pressed that bell icon, right? In that bell icon also there are three things. Today for the first time even I have seen that, right? No depreciation. Yes, there is no depreciation. That is another advantage of this business. You need not employ anybody. There are no employees also, so you are pretty much with yourself. You do not need to take care of all their provident funds, medical insurances, and inspectors checking all these things. So nothing of that sort is there. Weekends are off, or even during the day you are working from 9 to 3:30 only, as long as you are not into any commodities, right? Position sizing and risk management based on market condition is crucial for success in option business in the long term. Definitely, you see, risk management is very important. Now markets have gone down from 12,400 to 8,400. If you have not managed your risk well, maybe yesterday I was in discussion with one of the brokers. As per him, around 20 to 30% of small accounts got just wiped out. You see, there were no hedgings. They just purchase some calls, and that is huge quantities. And when market first time went down, they are in a habit of averaging them out. That okay, now my call cost is reducing and all that. And many of such accounts have just got wiped out. Many of the accounts have some trades wherein they have to pay extra margin money to brokers. So what they have to do is they had to sell their cash stocks and ultimately uh, get out of their commitment. So it's really scary. So risk, if you're not managing it properly, then obviously we are not a basic option trader also, right? So risk management is again something something ground floor, right? And what I am saying is again, which is above ground floor. So that is a very basic thing, that okay, risk management has to be there, right? Some details about what, Mr. Vijay, please uh, clarify, right? So you can join any of these. All Most of you are members. You can upgrade your membership as soon as uh, the smart hedging membership level gets approved by YouTube, right? And now we have a workshop on 11th and 12th, that is coming Saturday and Sunday. So anybody wishing to join that workshop for 2 days, he can contact us. He can contact us at these numbers, and you can also write to us at info@the option school dot in. Third type of membership is, again, we will be giving you regular posts. Most of them will be during market hours, wherein whatever hedges we have considered for our trades, we will be sharing that along with the adjustments also, right? So hopefully that would be an excellent learning for all of us. Whosoever participates in that, you see, there is nothing that okay, we want all of you to participate. Again, I say, if you want to participate in that kind of post, that kind of discussions, and you want to take benefit of doing those trades for yourself also, then you must have some decent funds, and only then you go ahead with that. We wanted to launch it from 1st May, because after 1st May, we strongly believe that person who is having even 1 lakh rupees can trade pretty well in the market. But as of now, the whole structure of the market has changed. Now 300 400 point movement has become very normal, right? So in these kind of scenarios, the kind of smart hedged trades what all of us are experiencing are really wonderful so far, right? So we will be discussing with you all those kinds of trades, right? It can be used for learning purpose, it can be used for creating some of your own strategies and trades also, right? So that will be coming very soon. Hopefully within a day or two, YouTube will be able to upload that. Mr. Reddy says, sir, yesterday you told that future margin should be minimum of rupees 5 lakhs, but for some stocks it is L&T is very much less. You see, some of the stocks have gone down. I've not said future margin, I said the value of the lot. if the share is trading at, let us say, 1,000 rupees, the lot size will be 500 rupees, 500 units. 500 into 1,000 becomes 5 lakhs. Now, since we have seen a 30-40% fall in the market within a span of only 1 month, you might be seeing many lot sizes getting changed. If the price of the stock has really gone down, I'm not at all into L&T. Can you tell me, Mr. Reddy, what is the lot size of L&T and what is the price of the share? If you multiply both the things, if it is still more than 5 lakhs, then you will not expect any change in the lot. But if it has gone down substantially from 5 lakhs, then maybe you need to check the circular on NSE that whether the lot has been changed or not. For Bank Nifty, I have seen the circular, the lot size has been changed to 25, but that will be effective from uh, June series, if I'm not wrong. Right, that will be effective from June series. Right now, for the series of April and May, it will still remain as 20 only. Pawan says, please conduct polls and have some fun. Sure, Pawan, will definitely conduct some polls on our membership area. Right, have some fun. I don't know. Right, last time we conducted a quiz, and most of you were absent in that quiz. So the fun got reduced by almost 50%. Right. If margins will reduce from 1st April, will movement of Nifty will increase? Margins are not going to get reduced from 1st April. Margins are going to get reduced from 1st May, and there are, you see, so many factors whether that will actually uh, get executed or not. What will be the effect on movement of Nifty? What will be the effect of on premiums of different strike prices? That Mr. Deepak needs to be yet to be seen, right? So rate is 750 and lot size is 350. So that means it is less than 5 lakhs now. So you just check the circulars. They might have already announced the change in lot size, right? So even if the lot size, I think, becomes 750 means the lot size should be somewhere around 700, 800 now. It should be more than 700. So you need to check the circular and maybe check the NSE site for the month of June. They might have changed the lot size, which may come into effect after 2 months from now, right? They must have done that. A lot of Nifty stocks have went down less than 5 lakhs in last month. Yes, because of this recent fall. So what they do is they take complete 1 month's average, and from that rate they calculate what should be the lot size. And if some stock has gone down only a last few days or maybe only first few days and then it has revived, so if the average is coming less than 5 lakhs, then only the revision will come. So they have changed many lot sizes, which will be effective from 2 months from now, right? uh, if possible, please some make video on arbitrage. I am totally illiterate on arbitrage, right, Mr. Reddy? So how will I create a video on that? Let's show the unity against Corona by participating in tomorrow's 9 p.m. lightings. Yes, definitely all of us will do that, right? 9 p.m. and we have to create that light effect for 9 minutes. And you must be getting a lot of messages that okay, this has a lot of astrological benefits also. So let us do that. You see, whatever we can do, whatever is in our hands to fight this disease, we must do that without any second thought, right? They will increase the lot size and make sure that the total value of the lot, not the cost, Mr. Chairman, the total value of the lot is above 5 lakhs. That is the principle they are following right now. Maybe what, Mr. Reddy, I will see and I'll check which are the lot sizes which are going to get changed from June. That information must be available on NSE website, right? Pawan says 50 like achieved, but not enough. But still, it's good. So we should be happy, and I'm really thankful to all of you who have participated in the live stream and as well as like the stream, right? Thanks to all of you. 375, what is this, Dr. Kadam? 375, is it the lot size of L&T? Please do video on commodity option trading. May not be, this is not the right time to do that, Mr. Sharma. Maybe in future we will do that, right? Just now, Mr. Chaudhary is saying, Mr. And hats off to you, Mr. Chaudhary. You are always updated with the latest news. You must teach us how you do that. Just now, there is a news of lockout relaxation for agriculture sector with immediate effect. Oh, hopefully everything should be safe, right? Because yes, this is the season now, wherein they have to take out their yield. So obviously, uh, it should be a good decision, but let's see how it pans out, right? Uh, okay, so please like the video and please write your comments in the comment section. We will try to answer all the comments as soon as possible, and share this video to somebody whom you think it will be useful. If you're coming first time to our channel and still have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow we will not be coming because 9 o'clock we have to do something much more important than this, right? As suggested or as advised by our Prime Minister, all of us should be creating that light effect for 9 minutes. So tomorrow it will be holiday for all of us, but definitely we'll be coming on Monday, although Monday is a holiday for our markets, right? So thanks to all of you for coming and have a great day. Definitely participate in that 9 o'clock event tomorrow and let's meet on Monday. Thank you. Good night.